How to fix the Instagram post unavailable error. This tutorial shows you a few things to try to get it working again. First, the most common reason for this error is that the post has been deleted by the person who shared it, or their account has been made private or deactivated since you last saw it. In that case, there's nothing you can do to view it as it's simply no longer accessible. From there, if you believe the post should still be available, the first thing to try is refreshing your feed by pulling down from the top of the screen to reload it. After that, if that doesn't work, long press the Instagram icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. At this point, tap Force Stop and tap OK to confirm, then reopen the app and try accessing the post again. Following this, if it's still showing the error, go back into App Info and tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache to wipe any temporary files that might be causing the issue. From here, reopen Instagram and try loading the post once more. After that, open the Play Store, search for Instagram, and install the update if one is available, since display errors like this are often